Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to buy SHIBA INU coin with very little fees. All you're going to need is a Coinbase account and a Kucoin account. So this is going to work for anyone in the US, but I'm making it specifically for people in New York as SHIBA was just listed on Crypto.com and Binance as ways to buy it, but neither of these are supported in New York. I just noticed it was really hard to buy in New York, so this is why I wanted to make the video. So first thing you're going to want to do is create a Coinbase account. And then you're going to go over to choose buy and pick XLM Stellar Lumens. I recommend using XLM because there's no fees later in the process when exchanging it over for SHIBA, and it's also pretty quick. So type in the amount you want to buy, and here's the only time in this process that there's going to be a fee. You can see here it's quite low. There's a $1.49 fee on a $25 purchase, and then you're going to click buy now. Next, go over and create a Kucoin account, and then go to your main account, scroll down to find XLM, and you're going to click on deposit. Check that you understand the risks and click continue. It's then going to give you your Stellar address and memo, both of which you'll need to send the XLM. Head back to Coinbase, go to your portfolio and click on XLM. Click send all or type in the amount that you want to send, and then go back and copy and paste the address and memo from Kucoin. You need both of these in order to send it. Hit continue and then send now. This is going to ask for a verification code texted to your phone. Just enter that in and head back to Kucoin. You'll see that the XLM is received. It'll say assets received on Kucoin. You're going to then transfer from your main account to your trading account. Next, click on Spot Trading near the top and type in XLM and select XLM/USDT. This is what you're going to need to purchase SHIBA. If this is your first time with Kucoin, you'll have to set a trading password first, so click where it says set trading password and then follow those prompts to create one. Once you've set it, you're going to enter it and then click market price. I'm choosing to sell 100% of the XLM, so click whatever amount you want to sell and then click sell. Then go back to the search bar at top and type in SHIB or whichever coin that you want to buy. You'll notice it says SHIB/USDT, which you now have. Select it and then go back down to buy. Choose the amount you want and click buy SHIBA. Here I'm just going to be buying 100%. And there you have it. You can go to your assets in your Kucoin account and then click your trading account and you'll see the SHIBA that you just bought. Thanks so much for watching and I hope this helped.